Hey guys, it's Crafts by Jazzy. So I just wanted to do a quick update with you guys. You guys are probably wondering where I'm at and why I'm not posting lately. Well, I would say in this past month I've been working on my online preschool. And also I has been experiencing a lot of loss lately. I've had a couple close friends and some of their family members have passed. And then recently my mother has passed. So keep me in your thoughts and prayers and hope to be posting soon, guys.